Almost a year and a half into the pandemic, nearly every business in the world has been affected by COVID-19. And the only way to bounce back and make more profits is to go digital. And to go digital, they need a website, a funnel, a video, social media presence, and ads on Google and whatnot. And you know what's common among all these things? Marketing copy. A video needs a script. An ad needs an ad copy. A website needs website copy. A funnel needs sales copy. An Instagram post needs a description. Online businesses simply cannot go digital without the right marketing copy. The future of writing a marketing copy will be a choice. If you want to do it, you can, but you won't need to do it. Because the copy blocks will do the outsourcing for you.
Welcome back to the review of copy blocks with Zainab. So, let's get started and understand how this bot will help you make money online and why should you be getting this. Okay, and this is the sales page of copy blocks. Or the tagline says, let the new Tesla bot write all the marketing copy for you and your clients using just a keyword. So this is something really cool. With keywords only, this bot can produce marketing copies for you in any kind of online business. So let me get down here and let me show you these facts first. Most Americans are exposed to around 4,000 to 10,000 ads each day. Check out the number of ads per day. And every day, slightly more than 5,47,200 new websites are created globally. These many websites, wow, every day. Around 7 million blog posts are published per day. Just imagine how many people are, after the pandemic, flooding towards the online platform and looking to make money online. So not many of you are good at content writing, so definitely you will be outsourcing your work to people who work for you per hour or per project. So that will be costing you quite a lot. If you go to, let's say you go to Fiverr and you check out here the marketing copy writers. So just check out the prices here. Convert this in US dollars. Oh yes, 75,000 starting. So dollars, $35, $50, $10, $5, $35. He must be new, that is why he's doing it at $10 for you. So just to get started, so basically 75 and 35 and 50, these are the prices which you will have to pay for every time you get your marketing copy or sales copy or whatever copy you need, content you need for your videos or your websites or your blog posts or whatever the online marketing business you are into. So how the software will be helping you? So their conversions are definitely very low, and their sales figures are pathetic. They have very poor engagement levels, so they are losing their customers to competitors. So they have created this bot which will solve all these problems for you. So everything is turning into bots and artificial intelligence, so that you should not have to worry about the hectic work, and you just outsource all your heavy work to some other platforms. So basically this software will allow you to outsource all the heavy work, so which is definitely the marketing copy, which will allow you to put more your efforts into expanding your business on other platforms, and without worrying about that you will have to create so many contents for each post or each website or blog or whatever you need to create copies for. So without finding, hiring and paying copywriters who charge an arm and a leg, that's true. Being forced to learn writing and doing it yourself, I don't like this. Without buying any complicated and expensive tool. So this tool comes with a one-time cost. So now in less than 60 seconds, what you can do is attract the buyer's attention with a marketing copy that speaks to them and resonates with every single time. Automate copy for sales pages, social ads, websites, reach international clients and market your products and services globally. Sell marketing copy to customers locally and internationally for 100% profits. So guaranteed to convert. All you have to do is just put your product name here and a little description, just the keywords, and it will be generating. Either you need a sales copy for company or for blog or website, and you select the type of marketing copy and the tone you require, and then the AI, artificial intelligence, will generate 100% original marketing copies. So basically this is really cool. So use it in your business or sell to your clients for big profits. That depends on you how you make money out of this. Okay, so this is what the bot will be doing for you, and you will be getting this software for $47. The upfront price is only $47. Okay, so what more? Create highly engaged marketing copy for audience across the globe with one-click translations into over. Okay, so you can convert all those marketing copy into 120 plus languages. This is a cool feature. You can check it out here, and I will share the demo with you as well, how you can do all this. Okay, watch the demo to be amazed. I will share that in a while. Is there anything else left? How our state-of-the-art technology compares with the rest. Okay, so it comes with a 30 days money back guarantee. That's why so many people have reviewed this. You can check this out here. Social ads, general ad copy, Facebook primary text. You can create almost everything that requires marketing copy, that requires content. Okay, to sell it for big time. Okay, now let me share the demo video of how you can create your marketing copies using the Copyblocks bot.
Welcome to Copyblocks. In this demo, I will show you a new and revolutionary AI technology previously only available to tech stars like Elon Musk and big corporations like Apple. Now you too can use this same technology in your business, or use it to create a powerful passive income by starting a 6-figure copywriting agency, even if you have zero experience, technical, or writing skills. Let's say you have a client who needs copy to sell accounting services to small businesses. Using Copyblocks, you can now create copy and content for this client and get paid in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter product name and description. Step 2. Select the type of copy and tone. Step 3. AI writes 100% original copy. The AI will use this information to write all the copy and content you need in less than 60 seconds. Unlike other tools in the market, Copyblocks uses real artificial intelligence and not outdated fill-in-the-blank templates. The AI can turn a simple input like this into intelligent copy blocks like this. This AI is smart, it's intelligent, it's experienced, it's fast, and with it, there is no need to hire expensive and time-wasting copywriters and freelancers. Copyblocks gives you total control over your copy. You can set the tone of your copy and even translate it in over 100 languages in just one click.
Okay, now let's understand what you will get with the help of this software. So what this software will create for you. Tailor-made content for everything. Creative stories, product description, blog post outlines, ideas, introduction, feature to benefit, and much more. So let's have a software demonstration of what you will
Here's
get.
what you can generate in just a few seconds using Copyblocks. General ad copy. Facebook primary text. Facebook headlines. Facebook link descriptions. Google headlines. Google descriptions. Website headline. Website subheadline. Product description. Product pitch. Blog post ideas. Blog post titles articles. Blog listicles titles. Blog post intros and outline. Turn bullet points to blog. Turn bullet point to paragraph. Sales copy based on proven copywriting formulas like PASS, pain agitate solution. Pain gain claim. AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. Feature to benefit. Before after bridge. Feature advantage benefit. And Quest sales copies. And even value proposition. Company motto. Company mission. Company bio. Personal bio. And so much more. Built-in advanced frameworks like AIDA and PAS ensure that your copies always resonate with the audience, as they are based on proven techniques of customer behavior and persuasion. A content improver to rewrite your previous copies for better conversions. Copyblocks is going to help your clients write high-converting ads, sales pages, blogs, and other such content that is crucial for the survival and growth of their business. And the best part, the free commercial license that's included turns Copyblocks into a money-making machine for your clients, because they can now sell copywriting services across the globe and get paid for something that's 100% automated for them.
Okay, now let's talk about the bonuses which you will get if you buy the product via the link which is mentioned below in the description. So let me tell you a little about the prices and the upsells. You will be getting Copyblocks one time, that is for $47. If you want to get the bundle, then it will be for $247. That is one time fee. And then it has upsell one, Platinum Unlimited, $147 for per year. Copyblocks Pro, $67. Agency, $47. And Digital Marketing Agency Success Package is also there. And Reseller to 6 apps plus Copyblocks is for $297, and the upsell is for $497. Okay, so now let me take you to the bonuses which you will be getting if you buy the product via the link which is mentioned below in the description. Okay, so the first bonus is the Fuego Multiplier. So this bonus will help you earn some extra cash with a secret method, and which is a proven method to make money online. Okay, so you can get started with this Fuego Multiplier right away if you get this bonus. Okay, so the bonus 2 is how to build a WordPress site. So once you learn this, how to build a WordPress site, then you can use Copyblocks to generate all the content for you for your WordPress site, and whatever you want to sell, or you want to post a blog on it, or whatever the type of content you want on your website. And then the bonus 3 is how to build buyers list. So this is very important. So when you create a WordPress site, then you can start building your buyers list using the content you will be putting onto your site, and then by locking it with a few techniques, and then collecting the leads. And how you will collect those leads, you will learn in this bonus, with the help of this bonus. Okay, so the bonus number 4, turn your Gmail into an autoresponder. So you will not have to buy any other autoresponder. So what autoresponder will do for you, it will send emails in bulk for you. So for starters, you can get started. Even if you're a complete newbie, you will not have to go and get yourself autoresponder on a monthly cost or a yearly cost. So you can get this here with this bonus easily. Okay, now there will be few special bonuses, all vendor bonuses, which you will get access to once you buy the product via the link which is mentioned below. Okay, so this bonus page will expire on the 16th of September, so make sure you get your hands on it before the bonus page expires. Okay, so that's it for this review video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments below, and subscribe to my channel so that I know you're interested in looking into the products which will help you make money online, so I can share more of these with you. Thank you for watching.